Hey everyone, Bill Diet here. Welcome to another video. This time it will be on the UFO box. It says Alien Slackers UFO Box, Alien 3D. This is the UFO box for the month of May. Obviously a little late since it says May the 4th be with you, but sorry. And here we are on, I believe this is the 10th, so May 10th, so we're about 6 days behind schedule. But no big deal. As you can see right there, Alien 3D. And let's open her up and see what's inside. Sorry, just knocked the cable on the floor here. So, slice open the tape. Looks like a pizza box. Okay, so inside we got, I don't know what this is. There's some kind of bag here. Some kind of Easter egg thing here. Let's see what's in the bag. Open up the bag here. Ooh. Get it out. Okay, got it out. I'm not sure what this is. Still don't know what it is. Some kind of mat of some sort. And then figure out how to open this packaging up here. Okay. They did not make this easy to open because there's a snap inside here. Oh, so there's LEDs inside this packaging. If I can get them all out. Get this packaging open. Get that one open. It's like the. Okay. Another one open here. There. Now I can open the whole thing up. So inside there's some LEDs here, obviously. So here's the LEDs. They're attached here on the strip. Looks like it connects to it like a mini HDMI connector here on the end. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's right here from mini HDMI. Let's see, do I have an HDMI cable right nearby? Nope, not that one. What's this one? Nope, both of them are not HDMI. Okay, so I don't have a HDMI cable right next to me right at the very moment. But anyway, yeah, so it connects to a mini HDMI. I do have one right here. Here we go. So I do have an HDMI cable right here. So here's the mini HDMI. One of these cameras right here. Doesn't want to focus. I don't know why it's not auto-focusing like it should. Maybe this one will focus a little better. Nope, still ain't gonna focus. So anyway, mini HDMI plugs here on the end of this thing here, and I don't know what the project is for the month. You'll have to go online and look it up. Let's see, plugs in that way. So just plug in. They just plug in just like that, and I'm not sure how the LEDs are going to work, but we'll figure that out later. Right now, that's not the issue. We'll find out on the project when we go online and look it up. All right, so that's that first part. Like it has like a black mat right here. I don't know what it feels very similar to an anti-static mat. Is what it feels very similar to. But anyway, so there's that. I'll put that aside, out of the way. There's an Easter egg here, one of those regular Easter eggs that, plastic shelled ones that open up. You pop it open like so, and it's got candy inside. So there's the Easter egg. Darn, it's not like Ready Player One. I didn't win $1 trillion. Come on, what's up with that? Or $500 billion. Sorry, $500 billion. The brochure for the month. Okay, so this is a light box for doing photography is what it is. So that's the, you can see it right here in the middle here. Sorry, my pointing. You look at the camera and trying to point. So that's what the thing is, the light box. That's what the LEDs do. So it just turns on. It really doesn't do much else. Looks like an LED night light. Let's see. Then the filament for this month, we have Ziltech PLA bronze. So let's see. Get that to show up. There we go. Ziltech PLA bronze. And we have Matter Hackers MH Build PLA silver right here. Matter Hackers. Thank you very much, guys. I'll throw a shameless plug in here. And oh, look, they gave an HDMI cable for the light. Got a second one of these night lights. Okay. Ooh. Let's see. We have Tallman 3D T-glaze in blue, transparent blue. And then we have Prusa Research. Wow, I haven't gotten to try any of the Prusa mint because we can't seem to get it here in the U.S. Every time I go on Amazon, it's sold out. So Prusa Research, it's supposed to be a carmine red, but you know that color on that camera is really effed up. Looks orange in that camera. Here, see, it's red. Red in the other camera. Okay, so there's all that. And then a sticker from Filament 1. You tried the best. No, I tried the rest. I got the same sticker I got in my Filament 1 trophy box yesterday. So that's everything that was in the box. I love the Star Wars thing because I'm a big Star Wars fan. I'm not sure if all of you know that or not, but I am a big Star Wars fan. And in fact, if you look behind me back there, you see part of the shell to my Millennium Falcon model. That's about a 34-inch model. So that's almost a meter-long model when it's put together. It'll weigh over 29 pounds, which is what, like a little over 10 kilos in weight when it's all put together. So that's anyway, that's everything for the UFO box for the month of May. That's it for today. I will be working on hopefully this weekend, working on another video for a new printer. It's a Delta printer, but I've heard it's a piece of shit. We'll find out. Maybe it's how you put it together, and maybe it is just a piece of shit. But you know, I have fairly good mechanical and technical aptitude, so I can probably figure out how to make it work. I don't know if you'd be a great printer or not, but you know, I'll do my best on it. So anyway, till next time, next month UFO box, next month Filament 1 box, trophy box, and we'll see what happens after that. Oh yeah, so from last month's filament box, trophy box, I did try and print this guy. This is the Voodoo Priest from Wexter. It sort of came out okay. Some minor problems. I had a bunch of jams with it. So the glitter that's in the blue glint is giving me a problem. It's jamming on my 0.4 nozzles. But my 0.6 nozzles, or I'm sorry, I used a 0.8 nozzle to print this and get without jam. And so 0.8 worked okay. Had some slight problems. There was a layer shift that took place way at the very beginning. If you look right there, you can see the layer shift was right there. But after that, everything was fine. So I don't know what happened, why it did that. You can see it also on the little voodoo doll right there. You can see the shift. But other than that, it came out fairly decent. I don't know why I'm getting these sag lines here on the face. Makes him look like that one guy from the Star Wars movie. I call him Liver Lips. I don't know what his real name is, but he had like the long skin hanging off his face, but kind of makes him look like that. But anyway, I don't have time to mess with it anymore on that print, so I might try again later with a different filament, one that doesn't have glitter in it. That way I can run a 0.4 nozzle and don't have to worry about it jamming. But that's where we are with that. So anyway, till next month, have a great one. This is Build It, signing off. See you next month.